Hi, we're Andy and Shell, turning our wanderlust into reality. On our channel, we share real travel and cruising experiences to help you explore the world with confidence. So if you're over 50 years of age, like us, why not come along and follow our adventures?
So today we're checking out an interior triple quad share cabin on Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas. Let's go. Now, we did request that they be set up for 3 people. It hasn't been set up yet, but we can see that there are bunks up in the top area here that can be pulled down. So we will get this set up. But as you can see, it's set up as a double at this stage. We'll draw your attention to the space by the side of the bed. It's quite thin, as you can see, lights and a little set of drawers. Backing up. And the same that side, light with a phone, little set of drawers. Coming back, we have a bar fridge here, as you can see. No freezer, just a bar fridge. The bottle of wine didn't come with it, we bought it on. Sorry about that. TV upstairs in the cupboards up here is your safe. And there's some more cupboards up there for storage. We have a little sofa in here. Then you have your desk. In the drawers here. Bit of room, which is great. Here. Come along here, that slides out, just another drawer there, and here you have a hairdryer, which is, not one of those horrible ones that just sticks on the wall. It actually looks like it can dry your hair. Coming into here is the wardrobe. With shelving, etc. Lots of coat hangers. And then we go this side. Oh, big mirror there. This side, and we'll find the bathroom.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
We're just getting a chat.
Voyager of the Seas.
Okay, so let's check out the bathroom. As you can see in the bathroom, it has toilet paper. There's no tissues provided. You do need to ask for those. Well, we found that situation. Mirrors, toilet, obviously. Going into the shower, you can see that the body wash and shampoo are combined. So if you prefer that not to happen, certainly bring your own. Looking up above, there is a clothesline there. Always handy to hang, clothes. Oh, another thing I will point out, people want to know is, yes, there is a kettle in the room with some tea bags and so forth. So that's a nice little touch. Okay, there you go. 8355 on Voyager of the Seas interior cabin. Hope you enjoyed that video. So why not like, subscribe and follow us as we travel around the world. Cheers.